In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share images from Gemini. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Gemini, select the image you want, and share it either by copying a link or sending it directly to someone, all in a few simple taps. First, open Gemini on your device or in your browser. Make sure you're signed in and connected to the internet so your content loads properly. Give the app a second to refresh your latest conversations or projects. If the image you want to share was just created, it should appear in your most recent session. If it's from an earlier chat, scroll through your history until you see the exact image you want. Once you've found the image, tap or click it to open it in full view. This makes the share options visible and helps you confirm you've got the right one. Take a quick look to make sure it's the correct version, the right size, and free of anything you don't want to share. You can zoom in for a final check if needed. Now look for the Share button. Depending on your device, it might appear as a curved arrow, 3 connected dots, or simply a button labeled Share. Tap Share. When you do, Gemini will generate sharing options for that specific image. You'll typically see a link you can copy, as well as system-level options to send the image directly through your preferred apps. If you want to share the image by link, choose the Copy option. The link is now on your clipboard, ready to paste into a message, document, or post. This is handy when you want to keep the original quality or when the recipient prefers opening a link. If you'd rather send it directly to someone, pick the app or contact from the Share menu, like your messaging app, email, or a collaboration tool, and send it right away. You can include a short note so the recipient knows what it's about. Wait for the confirmation that your message was sent, and you're done. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see the Share button, make sure the image is fully open, not just in a thumbnail view. Share responsibly, only send content you have the right to distribute, and be mindful that a link can be forwarded by the recipient. If you're working with sensitive visuals, double-check what's visible before sharing. That's it. Open Gemini, select your image, tap Share, then either copy the link or send it directly. Simple, fast, and reliable. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.